Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, Formatic, Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory and heated seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle 1,096, and we have a push button ignition, Mercedes-Benz radio and backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.